Hello everyone, this is Mr. Navratil here. What I wanted to do in this video was briefly go over the Clean Technology Innovation Lab website. This is kind of the place where you can find a little bit of everything about the lab. There's different tabs up here which will bring you to different sites. I'll just start here on the home page. So just a lab overview, a couple quick pictures, a little bit about myself. If you are interested, I do keep a portfolio of my previous work, so you can click there and that will bring you to my personal Wix page. So that's just the home. If we go over to the equipment tab, this is a pretty comprehensive list of all of the different types of equipment we have here in the lab. So we have our Prusa 3D printers, the Techno CNC router, we have a couple of laser cutters, the vacuum former, the vinyl cutter, the heat press, and the Maker Station. The Maker Station is essentially just a computer where you are able to access your designs and be able to send them to the correct machine that you're trying to use. So beneath all of these, you'll see that there's a link for the manual for them if you're ever interested in figuring out a little bit more about them in depth. There's also going to be introduction videos for that particular piece of machinery, and then finally a kind of a step-by-step instruction video on how to operate that piece of machinery. So you will have an opportunity to learn how to use the 3D printer or any of these for that matter, essentially on your own. So that's the equipment tab. Over here we have the software tutorials. So this is a list of all the software that we're going to be utilizing in the Clean Technology Lab. We have basically set up a start to finish tutorial on each of these pieces of software. So as you can see, this is kind of a work in progress. But let's say for Onshape, there will be a basics video and then an introduction to the first parts, and then how to do each following custom project that we're going to be taking a look at in the lab. Pretty much all of these links here are going to take you to another YouTube video of me explaining that exact project. So each one of these will essentially just be an introductory video.
Hello everyone, this is Mr.
That's me
Axel
talking
here.
again.
Today I'm going to be covering how to create.
Kind of like a Inception. The next tab, we have the Master Creator Program. So this is a new program I'm putting in place for students who are in the Innovation Lab that would like to kind of complete this program. And at the end, if you do hit all of the requirements for the program, you can become a Master Creator, which is essentially awarded a certificate and also allows you access to the lab in using the equipment essentially independently. These will all be filled in with videos and links. At the moment, what we have now is your Master Creator checklist. This is an actual checklist of all of the different items that you're going to have to complete while you're here in the lab. And if you do every single one of these with a proficiency level of 90% or above, you are awarded their certificate of Master Creator. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to get a copy of this in your Google Docs. On every one of these links, on every one of these numbers, you are going to hyperlink to an example of your project or to the assessment that you've taken that you've gotten a 90 or above on. So you will take this, you will right click, you will make it a link, and then it will be a paste of wherever it is that work can be found. And we can go over more in depth about the color scheme, what exactly you should be linking to, and obviously this is still in need of getting completely filled in as we move forward. But this is the Master Creator checklist. Going back to the site, finally underneath Project Inspiration in the top right here, we do post images of student work that we have created over the last so much time. So we have posters and 3D prints and stickers and graphic design and all that good stuff. So that's just a quick overview of the Clean Technology Innovation Lab website.